Should I track down my USCIS immigration officer on social media? Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States out of our office here in St. Louis, Missouri. I'm never ceased to be amazed at some of the things that people come up with and ask us, either in the YouTube channel or in emails to us or in Facebook or wherever. And we had a question last week that is honestly something that I never thought of, but when I heard it, I knew that immediately that it would make a great video. And so here I am telling you the question that was asked to me. And this is someone had already been to their immigration interview, and they said, I found my officer on Instagram. Can I message them and ask them why they're taking so long on my case? And I was absolutely shocked. I said, Mackenzie, we've got to do a video on this one, because if this person is thinking about this, there's probably other people who are thinking about this. Now, I would never think about this. I would never try to reach out outside the system and notify an immigration officer that I was wondering where they were on my case. But I can see where someone who's younger and heavily involved in social media, where they might think that this is a good idea. But this is not a good idea. This is a bad idea. It's a bad idea for lots of reasons. Number one, it appears that you're stalking a federal officer. Not a good idea. Number two, it's really going to make them mad that you have found them on social and that you've reached out to them. One time, I had a deportation case, and I had emailed the attorney who was trying to deport my clients, and I made the mistake of forwarding that email of my interchange with that attorney to my client, because what he did was he had his children email directly the officer, the attorney who was trying to deport my client, and the children emailed this officer and begged him not to deport their father and asked him, why are you doing this? It did not go well. The attorney was very upset with us. We told him that it wasn't our fault. We explained to him what had happened, but you can't reach out to federal government employees and ask them to speed up your case. You can't contact them at all. It's insane. You should never do it. Don't ever do it. I can't stress upon you how much of a bad idea this is. So if you're thinking about contacting an officer, if you got their name at and this could be for the State Department too, if you got their name at the interview, do not reach out to them. Leave them alone. Go through proper channels. Do not antagonize people in their personal life, which is a form of social media. Social media is part of your personal life, and people should be able to live a personal life without having you contact them or harass them. Now, I'm not saying that the person who asked me this question had any bad intentions. I don't think they do. I think they were actually being creative and trying to figure out, what in the hell can I do to get my case moving? Well, what you should do is sue them, but we can talk about that. That's the subject of other videos. But for the purposes of this video, if you feel like you can, you've tracked down your officer, do not contact them outside normal channels. Go through USCIS. I know it's frustrating, and I know that frustration is probably what led to the question, but don't do it. If you have questions about this, give us a call, 314-961-8200. Email us, info@hackinglawpractice.com. Facebook, it's called Immigrant Home. That's our group. Join us there. YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get updates whenever we make videos just like this one. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.